What's up, fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, and crude oil, starting with natural gas. And what do we have? Right here, price nicely heading towards a level of resistance, which is right up there. I've already mentioned these levels in my yesterday's video. In case you are wondering, feel free to check my yesterday's video out. Now, as price pushed up without hitting my 50% retracement, and we have now a good momentum above the support area. Now, I'm going to delete this Fibonacci retracement, and now I'm going to place it again from top to the upper level of Fibonacci retracement. Right here is nicely aligning with the level of resistance. 1.618 retracement is aligning with resistance area. That is also a good confidence that if the price push up, we can have a possible pullback from the area above, which I've mentioned already in my yesterday's video. Now, just keep your Fibonacci tool at the upper level of the resistance of the previous support, which is the green zone I've mentioned yesterday. Now, at this point, we're going to use here a 50% retracement, which is right here for our buy limit order for aggressive entry. Remember, that is aggressive entry, and aggressive entries are always risky. That is why you need to be very careful with your risk management, and stop loss can be below this pattern. So that is an aggressive way to enter. Otherwise, less aggressive way will be a pullback above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer. Wherever you get a bullish engulfer, we might get a big and deep pullback above 50 EMA. That is also likely, and that will be a less aggressive entry. So once we have a bullish engulfer, we're going to go long. Otherwise, an entry from the area of value, which is our trend continuation entry from 2.002, that goes up to 2.153 if we have a pullback followed by bullish engulfer or double bottom within this green zone. That will be our valid buy condition. And let's say we have no condition, price just hit a level of resistance above. In that case, I'm going to go short with bearish engulfers or double top entry confirmation. So keep an eye. These are the conditions now I'll be looking at. Adjust a Fibonacci tool, and if you have a pullback to 50% retracement for aggressive traders, that is your entry. And take profit 1 can be 1 ATR. Then you can manage it to 786 or 1.618 retracement for your next targets. Here on Ovanda, exactly the same. Just going to use a Fibonacci tool from the top till the upper level of support. I've mentioned the support area in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out. 50% entry. Pullback is your less aggressive entry, and your trend continuation entry will be from this area with bullish engulfers or double bottom entry conditions. So these are the conditions now I'll be looking at for my entries. Nice and easy and nice and simple. All you're looking at these conditions on these platforms. The zone above I've already mentioned here on Ovanda in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that video out. On EMEX, exactly same right here for your entries, which is 50% retracement. And remember, this is also my buffer area, which is, let's turn on 25% retracement as well, which is right here. And normally I use this as my buffer area, which is 50% to 25%, from where we can expect a push down into this little level, and then I can expect a good push up. Otherwise, 50% retracement can be your entry as well. So keep an eye. These are the conditions I'll be looking at from the zone below: bullish engulfers, double bottoms, zone above, bearish engulfers, or double top entry condition. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at for my trades. Next, we have silver, nicely pushed up, and right here from this bullish engulfing pattern, we had no double bottom, but price just pushed up from my level of support. I've mentioned it did push 1 ATR, but if you have kept your stop loss below this pattern, in that case your risk to reward ratio will be better. But anyway, price pushed up and broke above 50 and 20 EMA, so only looking for bullish trades. So we can also get a possible head and shoulder pattern, which is something like this. We have a possible left shoulder, and for the right shoulder I need to see a hit of the neckline, which is right here, and then a possible rejection, then a push down, formation of right shoulder, rejection here, and once we have rejection with a bullish engulfer, in that case we are good to go long. I'll keep you guys informed if I see this pattern here on silver. Otherwise, if we have a push down above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer, in that case we'll have a valid buy signal. I'm going to go long using 1 ATR for my targets. We are bullish now for here. For silver, price is nicely reacting from this zone and now pushing up from here. Next, we have gold. It's also broken above 50 EMA. Like I said, we had no conditions, but for gold, a good conditions will be a break above this high. once we have a break above this high, I know that's a lot of weight, and that is what we need to be patient, because in trading we don't have to throw the money in the market without any condition. Why we are waiting so long? But we have to wait if you want to make money in this market, if you want to have that edge in the market. Wait for the condition, broke above this level. In that case, we'll turn completely bullish, and then we look for the pullback followed by bullish engulfers and keep on taking long. Otherwise, we can still get a good pullback and deep pullback as well if there is no condition. So that is what I'll be looking at: break above and then possible bullish engulfing condition. Otherwise, if we are broken below this low, in that case I'll start to look for my pullback entry bearish. But we are now above 50 EMA. That is why we can expect some moves up out of gold. And looking at the ratio of gold and silver, we are now in the trend continuation zone as well. That is why if you have a condition, price will push up from here, and gold, silver will also give us some pullback and possible formation of double bottom as well, or head and shoulder as well. So these are conditions I'll be looking at. Make sure once you have a clear condition, only then we're going to look for our entries. Next, we have crude oil. Price is now in the process of creating a double top pattern, which is something like this. It is not actually a very nice pattern, a very nice and clear pattern, but looking at this wick did not close below this rejection box. We might see some consolidation and then a possible move like double bottom pattern. So if we have a red and a green candle without a candle to close below this low, in that case we'll have a valid double bottom and price will likely push up from here. I'll keep my stop loss below, take profit 1-to-1, or it's totally up to you where you want to manage your trades. Keep an eye once we have a condition like double bottom in this rejection box, bullish engulfers or 382 candle, we are good to go long. We are also in an oversold situation, and we are also getting a divergence in the RSI. So if we have a double bottom, that will be a good signal for long trades. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.